Hello, my name is Bruce Baumgartner. I'm the owner of Home and Business Communications. We do Nortel telephone systems. You may have recently got a letter from Hawaiian-Tel letting you know that they will no longer be willing and/or able to service your Nortel telephone system. No worries. Home and Business Communications will be happy to take over the servicing and maintenance of your existing Nortel telephone system. We've been in business since 1982, and we service all of the islands of Hawaii. If you'd like to have us come out to give you a quote for a maintenance contract, you can get a hold of us on the web at www.hbc.bz. Once again, that's www.hbc.bz. Thank you, and remember, Home and Business Communications. We do it better, faster, and less expensive, so you don't have to worry.